You're hunched over your laptop in a dim room at Dakota State University, eyes scanning lines of code as Backtrack Linux hums softly. Suddenly, a seemingly impenetrable system cracks open, not because of brute force but a precise surgical strike. That's the moment ethical hacking stops being puzzle and becomes an art. But how do you even start when every digital fortress looks like a nightmare? This book holds that roadmap. Before you hit go on any exploit, you need a map. Reconnaissance is the quiet art of stalking targets without being noticed. Think espionage, not smashing windows. Patrick Engebretson kicks off with Google Reconnaissance, showing how simple queries unearth juicy info. Using MetaGooFil, a tool mentioned in Chapter 2, he scans public documents and basically cracks the target's front door. It's like finding the blueprints in an open drawer, giving you a blueprint before you've even used a hacking tool. Think of reconnaissance like archaeology. You're not smashing the ruins, but carefully uncovering layers of info, emails, file paths, hidden directories. Each clue reveals more about your target's defenses. Just like a brush uncovers ancient artifacts, these tools reveal vulnerable digital relics waiting to be exploited. With that treasure map in hand, you don't blindly attack. Instead, you know exactly where to focus. It's the difference between trying every key on a massive keyring and walking straight to the one door you know opens. Suddenly, ethical hacking becomes strategic, surgical, and far less about luck. Once you know where the weak points might be, it's time to scan and probe. Nmap isn't just a tool, it's your drone overhead, surveying every open door and window in that fortress. Engebretson describes a moment using Nmap on a live target. We're talking scanning a university's external IP and finding open ports that shouldn't be there. Each open port is like a door left unlocked, and Nmap's detailed output tells you exactly which ones invite intruders and which scream keep out. Imagine a house with dozens of doors. Some you know about, some are secret basement hatches. Nmap flies by like a drone, peering at every door's lock type. Some might be wide open, others fortified. Just knowing which doors exist changes how you attack or defend. Using Nmap's data, ethical hackers can prioritize vulnerabilities fast. Instead of wasting time testing all systems equally, they laser focus on exposed ports, turning ambiguous potential into confirmed entries. This shift transforms hacking from guesswork to calculated precision. Discovering a door is great, prying it open, that's the magic and danger of exploitation. Metasploit becomes your crowbar, turning information into control with surgical finesse. Patrick dives into a vivid example where a penetration test uses Metasploit against a Windows 2003 server. With just a few commands, a known vulnerability turns into an open shell. The target system flips from secure to compromised faster than you'd expect, demonstrating Metasploit's raw power and danger. Exploitation isn't brute forcing locks, but making precise surgical strikes. Like a surgeon removing a tumor, you use a targeted tool, a module designed to hit a known weakness, avoiding collateral damage. This precision minimizes detection and maximizes control. Here's the kicker: mastering tools like Metasploit doesn't just mean breaking in. It opens a path for IT pros to improve security from the inside. Knowing how attackers move lets you close doors before damage is done. Ethical hacking flips the script from destruction to protection. That quiet night at Dakota State comes full circle. You've mapped, scanned, and exploited with surgical precision. But it's not just about cracking systems, it's understanding them from the inside out. So next time you face a digital locked door, remember, the right tools and mindset turn chaos into clarity. Try this: download Backtrack Linux, pick a target within legal bounds, and run a simple Nmap scan. See what doors open. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.